Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the TV and device so AirPlay can work immediately. On the LG TV, go now to Home, then AirPlay and HomeKit and turn AirPlay on. This enables the receiver. Make sure both the TV and your iPhone or Mac are on the same Wi-Fi network because AirPlay uses local network routing. Once done, keep an eye for an on-screen code. You may need it to pair. Next, open Control Center or the Mac AirPlay icon to locate the TV. You now choose how to share content. Mirroring duplicates your whole screen. App AirPlay streams only the video or audio. On iPhone, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and pick the LG TV. Type the TV code if prompted. On a Mac, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar and pick either Mirror built-in display or Use as separate display for extended desktop. For apps like Photos or Netflix, tap the in-app AirPlay button to send just that media, which improves performance. You finish the session by stopping AirPlay when you're done. On iPhone, use Control Center, stop mirroring. On Mac, turn AirPlay off via the menu bar. If you only want sound, change the audio output to the LG TV in your device's audio settings. Make sure to return TV AirPlay settings to your preferred security mode if you altered them. If things go wrong, restart both the TV and your Apple device and confirm they share the same Wi-Fi. That single restart fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.